These lobster egg rolls has been going viral on TikTok. And if you're not on TikTok, I'm here to show you how to make it from scratch, step by step, okay? Before I begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video for me if you find it helpful, and let's jump right in. All right, to get started, I have 2 lobster tails here. Let's go ahead and remove the shell. Now we're going to break the shell just like this. Okay. All right, let's pull it out just like this. And we're just gonna take the shell out. Just cut it out. All right, we're done with the first one. This is how we're looking. Like I said, leave the tail in. Now let's cut the other one. I'm gonna cut the shell right in the middle. This is how you're gonna get the meat to remove easily. Stick your finger underneath the bottom of the lobster, and then you're just gonna pull it out. Hold on, let's crack like that, and then you're going to pull it out. Once we're done, this is how your lobster tail is supposed to look like. Now that we have the lobster tails nice and clean, I'm going to pat it dry first, just like so. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil to it, rub it in. Don't forget the back. And now we're going to season. I'm using Cajun seasoning, a little bit of Old Bay, which is Island Vibe. You can find it on my website, or you can use any Old Bay that you have in hand. I'm using lemon pepper, onion, and garlic powder as well. I'm going to season the lobster just like this. Flip it over. Then season the back, of course. Flip over, season the back, just like this. Now our lobster tails are nice and seasoned. Let's cook the shrimp and the crab. I'm adding 1 tablespoon unsalted butter to my skillet. We're just gonna season the shrimp in here. I'm adding the shrimp, and I'm using small shrimp. I diced them into small little pieces, as you guys can see, and I'm going to lightly season it. We're not going to overcook this, okay? Don't forget, we're gonna fry the shrimp inside the lobster, so don't overcook it. And also I have some crab claw meat in here. I'm going to add in, lightly season it, okay, with the remaining of the seasoning. It's all about the flavor. Just mix it together just like this. Don't move it too much. You don't want to, I mean, it don't matter. Honestly, it really don't. Add a little bit more seasoning, why not? And that is pretty much done. Saute it real quick because it's going to cook again. So you don't want to overcook the shrimp. That's pretty much ready to go inside the lobster. Ooh, that looks good too. It smells amazing. All right, we're going to make the base for the crab and the shrimp. So I have a bowl here. I'm going to add some mayo. Add my mayo right in there, just like this. And of course, all the measurement will be in the comment for you guys. A little bit of Dijon mustard going in. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Pour that in. This is going to be so flavorful. I'm adding some cayenne pepper for a little kick, okay? And also the seasoning we had earlier, a little bit of that in there. You can't go wrong with the seasoning. Now here I have green onion. It might not look green, but it is green onion with a little bit of parsley, very lightly. You don't want to overdo it. With the green onion, a little bit of lemon juice. Make sure you catch the lemon seed. You don't want to drop it in there. Next, I'm adding 1 egg, okay? Make sure you add that in with a little bit of breadcrumb. Add that in, give it a mix. Smells really good. Now you can add some chive to this if you like for more flavor. Looks really good. This is what's gonna keep it all together. Let's add a little bit more breadcrumbs, just like this. Perfect. And then I'm going in with the crab and the shrimp. That looks good. Smells amazing. Really delicious. There you go. And now you mix everything together. This is gonna keep it all together, okay? Perfect. That looks good. And once you're done, this is what you have. Now let's stuff these lobster tails. All right, guys, now we're going to wrap the lobster tails. So I'm using these egg roll wraps. I'm gonna double wrap them, okay? So I'm using 2 instead of 1. Place it like this, and I'm going to grab my lobster tail. I'm gonna put it like this, so the tail needs to be like this, okay? Grab your fillings and just place it right on top like this, okay? That looks really, really good. And now what you're going to do, you're going to fold the front portion. Actually, let me add some water. I'm using water to seal the ends. That way it doesn't come undone. Okay. I'm going to fold this like that. And then we're going to fold. This might be too big. It looks too big, so I had to, let me take some off actually. It looks too big. Okay, this might be better. Okay, now we're going to fold it like this and add the other end over, just like so. Make sure it's nice and tight because you don't want any oil to get in there. Like I said, I'm using water to kind of seal everything. And that's what we're looking for, okay? Now let's do the other one. I'm grabbing 2 egg roll wrapper like this. Place that lobster tail right on top. Grab your shrimp and crab, put it on top of the lobster. Don't make it too big because, like I said, you need to be able to fold it. Grab some water so you can seal the ends, the tip. That way it can be nice and closed. It doesn't open. Fold that over just like this. And also let's seal this. Fold this just like so. Grab the other side and fold it nice and tight, okay? Nice and tight. Perfect. Oh, that looks really good. Make sure the ends nice and tight. And that's how we're looking. Now we're going to make a dipping sauce for the lobster egg rolls. This sauce is pretty simple. I'm using mayo, sweet chili sauce, and a little bit of onion and garlic powder. Super easy, and it tastes amazing, okay? A little bit of half and half. Mix it up together until it's nicely combined, and you can taste it to see if it's, if you like the taste, if you need to add a little bit more. So good, so good. Now that it's done, we're going to set it aside so we can fry the lobster egg rolls. I have my oil on 300. We're going to add in the lobster. Now we're going to place it right in there. Ooh. Carefully add that in. And we're just gonna let it fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. It is time to remove it, and it looks amazing. Look at that. Just gorgeous. About 5 minutes should do. Ooh. And this one is pretty much done, as you guys can see. Looking really good. All right, guys, let's try these lobster egg rolls because listen, they look really good, really juicy, and I'm gonna make sure I add some sauce to it, of course. All righty, let's try it. Oh. Listen, y'all hear that crunch? Okay, flavor is A1. I can feel the kick from the cayenne. Got the little citrusy in there. Listen, you taste the crab, the shrimp. So delicious. Absolutely, absolutely amazing. You hear me? Wow, wow, wow. The sauce makes it even better. It takes it to a whole nother level. If I have to say anything else, it's go make this right now. It is a 10 out of 10. Must try. So good, so flavorful. Do not skip on the seasoning. Okay, don't skip on the seasoning. Every little seasoning counts, so don't skip on that. And I hope you enjoy it. And also, I'm watching you right now. Please do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up for me, please. Please, please, please. And also comment down below. Have you seen this video before on TikTok? Are you even on TikTok? Let me know. I would love to know. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.